I was called to write a key for this vehicle. So after doing all the connection and everything, now I'll read the data. Read data, then EEPROM, and wait for the box to connect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a key to the BCM. The customer has replaced the BCM, so I'll add the key to it. So I'll wait for it to read the data. Read again. Okay, so now the read is successful. So I'll save it 08. So let me add range Rover 08. So I'll add it to it, and okay, then I'll go back and read key ID or okay, let me read the key ID before I add it to it. So I'll put the key that needs to be programmed into the system. So now the key is in the unit. Then there we go to read the key ID. Okay, so this is the key ID. So I have to add this key ID to it. So make the lock key, follow the instruction, remove the SIM or disconnect, remove the SIM and connect the chip to according to the instructions and read it. So the data has been read already. Now select the file. Let me select this one. Okay, so you can see the number of keys in it. So I think I can erase this key, erase successful, erase this key also. Then let me add the new key. So add key. So let me add, follow the instructions and let me add this key to it. So the key ID that we read first, we are now adding it to the sum. Oh, failed to generate key due to lock. Wow, so this key is locked. So the only thing I can do now is I have to generate a chip for it. Then I'll write with a chip because this key is locked. Or let me find out how I can unlock this key. So when I read this key ID, this is the chip. So this key is locked. So I'll try and unlock it. Okay, so it looks like the KM100 can unlock it. So let me try if it can unlock it. Then after that I'll read the key data again and see. So after reading the key is locked. So I'll try to unlock it with the KM100, and this is the diagram for unlocking. So I'll try the KM100 and see if it will work. So now I've done the connection again. I did a mistake on the connection, so I've reconnected it again. So now let's unlock it, and moment of truth. Wow, so it's unlocking, 100% unlocked, done. So this key is unlocked successfully, but for me to verify it, I'll put it in the programmer, or even let me exit from here and read it with this one. So I can't take, I'll take the battery, I'll take the connector out and plug it and do that. So now I'll read the transponder and see if it is unlocked successful. So read, and you can see the transponder is not locked. So that means the unlocking is done successful. So I'll add it to the system. then I'll call it a fix. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. So before I'll desolder it, I want to read it one more time and see if the lock status will go to unlock, because now it has been unlocked. Oh, there is the key ID. Let me go back and go to auto, then verify. So now my transponder is unlocked. So what I'll do now is I'll desolder it and read it to the system and add the key. So now I'll go back to the system and check. I'll go into the system again, then add the key, because now the key is unlocked. So let me go to control unit, right key, because I've read the keys already. So right key, okay, then make key, and already we've deleted most of the keys, so it's left with only 2 keys. And when we deleted the keys, it saved the file to this. So this is the new file that the data has saved. So with this one, I should have only 2 keys in it as it is written. So I'll add key, then I'll go to the programmer. So now you can see I'm now waiting for the programmer to connect, and the key is in the programmer. The key has already been unlocked. First, it used to tell me that the key is locked, but now let's see. After the programmer, okay, dealer key generated successful. That means the key has been made successful. So you can see the key ID has been made. So that means the unlocking was done successfully. So with this one, it's a win-win. So yes, do you want to save it? Yes. So this is the file name that is going to save it for the one with the key in it. So I'll press OK and go to write data, because now it has already been done. So the time is 10:17. So I'll use the time, select emo file, and there is it, 10:07. Sorry, 10:07, not 10:17. So I'll write this data into it. So after writing the data, so now the programmer is working. So after writing the data into the sim, I should be able to read it again and see the key ID in it. So now I'll wait for it to read. And after writing it, I have to verify and make sure that everything is correct. So let me try again. Why is giving me the error? Oh, I'm getting the error. So I'll wait for it to write the data. Yeah, I'm still getting error. So let me check my connection and get back to you. So now what I'll do is I'll write the prompt again and select this one. This is the one that the key has been added to it. So let me wait for it to connect. And see if it will fail again. So now the writing is successful. So I'll go back, read the data again, and verify if the key is in. So I have to read the data again and verify if the key is in. So I have to read the key data again and verify if I'll get the key ID in it. So it's supposed to be only 3 key in the system. So now let me go to, let me name this thing and do it after. So let me do it. Let me do it 007, no, 008 AF after. So let me save it, go back and make keys. So it will read the number of keys, select the EEPROM. So that's the AAF. So that's the file. So now you can see that I'm having this key in the system. So I'm having the key added. So now the whole programming is done successful. I'll go and place it on the vehicle and do the rest. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. So now I'm coming to use another method to read the key data and verify that my key is okay and everything is okay. So that's double verification. So I'll go to right key by dump, then okay, then Europe and Land Rover. Let me go to Land Rover, then Range Rover. So it's a sim, so I'll use pause. So now with this one, what I'll do is I have to just read it, and the file size is 1K. So what I'll do is the programmer is connected already, so it's now reading the chip. Then after reading the chip, it asks me to save the file. So let me save it. Read. Okay, let me save it. 2007. Sorry, 2008. So I'll just read it. Bin file version is strong and you don't have to. Okay. Couldn't verify. Okay, no. Now let me load the data rating. So let me go back. Go to doing verification after writing bin file. So this is the one that I wrote into the system with the key in it. So you can see the 3 keys, use. So now I have 3 keys in it and it is done.